Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create an event on the LinkedIn application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the post button down below that you can find but that's the third option. Click on the create an event button, then you should select your event type such as online or in person. Then you can also add the pictures to it. Type in the event name, then add the date and time of it. Then the time zone should be selected as well. Then click on the save button in the upper right corner. Add the external event link and the description. Then you should tap on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the event inserted into a post. So if you want to post it, you can also add an additional text to it and hashtags too, and tap on the post button at the top of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.